Filing for VA disability benefits can be overwhelming, and many veterans miss out on the benefits they deserve. This guide will help you avoid common pitfalls and maximize your chances for approval. Navigating the Veterans Affairs claim system can be tricky. Small errors often lead to significant delays. Many veterans fall into common traps, such as incomplete documentation or missing deadlines. These mistakes are preventable with careful attention to detail and understanding the process. Let's explore how to avoid these pitfalls and ensure your claim is processed smoothly. Understanding the Veterans Affairs claims process is crucial to securing the benefits you've earned. Proving a direct link between your disability and military service is essential. This connection, known as service connection, is the foundation of your claim. Ensure your documentation clearly establishes this link to maximize your benefits. Service connection issues often arise from missing medical records or lack of formal diagnosis during service. To strengthen your claim, obtain a nexus letter from a doctor and use buddy statements. These documents can bridge gaps in your service history and provide the necessary link between your military service and current disability. The VA rates disabilities based on medical documentation. Strong evidence means better ratings. Common errors include relying solely on VA records and missing test results. To improve your claim, ensure comprehensive medical documentation. This includes both VA and private medical records, detailed symptom descriptions, and any relevant test results. To strengthen your medical evidence, obtain a disability benefits questionnaire from a private doctor. Ensure it includes detailed descriptions of your symptoms. Consider an independent medical exam for a comprehensive evaluation. This approach can significantly bolster your claim, providing the Veterans Affairs with robust documentation to support your case. Veterans often downplay symptoms due to habit or pride, which can severely impact your claim. It's crucial to be honest and detailed during exams. Keep a daily symptom log and use specific examples to accurately convey your condition. This transparency can significantly affect your benefits and ensure you receive what you deserve. The Veterans Affairs assigns an examiner to assess your disability, and this exam heavily influences your rating. Many veterans don't grasp its importance. Understand that clear communication of your symptoms is crucial. Research your condition's rating criteria and be prepared to discuss how it impacts your daily life. Request the examiner's report for accuracy. Research your condition's rating criteria thoroughly. Clearly articulate how your daily life is impacted by your condition. After the exam, request a copy of the examiner's report to ensure accuracy. This preparation is crucial for a fair assessment and can significantly influence your claim's outcome. Don't let a denial stop you. The appeals process exists because many initial decisions are reversed. Review the denial letter to identify the exact reason for denial. To fix a denied claim, gather new evidence such as medical records, nexus letters, and buddy statements. Ensure you file within deadlines with complete documentation. Choose the appeal method that best suits your case, whether it's a higher-level review, supplemental claim, or board appeal. Regularly check your claim status on va.gov to stay informed. Always keep backup copies of all medical records and forms, as the Veterans Affairs can misplace paperwork. This ensures you have the necessary documentation ready, preventing unnecessary delays in your claim process. Consider seeking help from veteran service officers, attorneys, or independent consultants. Their expertise can significantly improve your claim's success rate. Many veterans have achieved better outcomes with professional assistance, ensuring they receive the benefits they deserve. A veteran increased his benefits by $1,500 monthly by submitting a Nexus Letter and Disability Benefits questionnaire after a low initial rating. Another veteran successfully appealed a post-traumatic stress disorder claim denial using buddy statements and additional medical records. These stories highlight the power of thorough documentation and persistence in achieving deserved benefits. A veteran successfully challenged a compensation and pension exam by presenting contrary medical evidence, winning her appeal. Key elements included nexus letters, buddy statements, and comprehensive medical records, like disability benefits questionnaires and independent medical examinations. This highlights the importance of thorough documentation and evidence in overturning unfavorable decisions. Ensure your symptom descriptions are honest and detailed. Prepare for compensation and pension exams by understanding how to explain your condition. For assistance, visit the Department of Veterans Affairs website or reach out to veteran service organizations like Disabled American Veterans, Veterans of Foreign Wars, or American Legion. These resources can guide you in maximizing your benefits and avoiding common claim mistakes. Avoiding common mistakes can significantly improve your Veterans Affairs claim success. Utilize resources and seek expert help when needed. Thank you for your service and best of luck with your claims.